Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's tutorial is this trendy Afro kids wig. So let's hop right into there. First of all, I resized this cap and made it smaller to a kid's full lace cap. I didn't video it because I did it in the night at home, so I could not video it. So right now I'm trying to part the hair into sections. I first of all part it in the middle, then part the two sides into two equal halves. All right, into two halves, not actually equal. And then I weaved it in a jumbo size, just like the way you're seeing in the video right here. So guys, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, don't forget to share to your loved ones too that also need it, because I know some people that might actually want to know how to make this hair. So after I parted the hair to what I want, the middle part of the hair I parted it this way in a slant method so that I will bring out the front of the hair, and then I weaved it down in a Ghana weaving. So guys, I want to use this medium to appreciate everyone that has been watching my videos, commenting on my videos, liking and engaging on my videos. I want to say thank you so much, especially to my old subscribers that have been here with me from day one. Those that have been here with me since, I appreciate you, and I say may God bless you all. And also I will also appreciate those that buy from me through this platform. I've gotten so many customers from YouTube here. I want to say a big thank you to all those that have bought from us, both home and abroad. I say thank you so much for seeing me worthy to make your wigs. All right, let's proceed. I did this weaving into four, just the front of the hair. This hair is quite an easy one, so it's something that is easy to catch, it's something that is easy to learn. It's not hard. And pardon me for the fast forwards and everything. I presume if you want to learn this hair, you've already known how to braid. I am not teaching you how to braid, I'm just teaching you how to make the style. Okay, so like I was saying, thank you to those that have bought from us. And I also like to use this medium to tell you that we accept orders via this platform. We accept if you want us to make any of the wigs that you watch in our videos, or any other wig that you want to make, please kindly reach out to us via our WhatsApp number. I will put on the description box. Please reach out to us. Okay, as you can see, I finished the front of the hair and I did the other part of the hair on camera. I'll be doing the same thing at the back of the hair. Okay, and please, the back will only be 3 on each side. The front is 4 pieces of cornrows on each side, so this back will be 3 pieces of cornrow on the back side. Okay, so like I was saying, let me go back to what I was saying. Please, we do accept orders. You can send in your orders, we can work for you. We ship worldwide, anywhere you are in the world we can ship to you. So we are done with the back of the hair, so this is it right here. So I'm going back to the front to section the hairs. Already we've picked some of the hair from the front that we've sectioned, so we have to resection it again. But mind you, that line will be 4 pieces. That's 4 box braids that I'll be doing, and I'll be doing it a kind of a knotless braid so that it will not be too bulky right there, and I'll be adding just few attached. The reason why I'm adding at extension or attachment is because I want it to be a little bit longer, because I'll be packing it. If not, I wouldn't need to add any extension to the hair. So that's it, guys. Please, if you're out of the country for now, because I'm being asked many questions if I use PayPal, if I have website. For now, I do not have a website. We take orders on WhatsApp. Okay, my WhatsApp number will be posted on the description box of this video. I do not have a website yet, so I cannot give you a website that I don't have yet. So if you want to make an order, please click on the or chat me on WhatsApp so that I will take your orders. About being legit, you already know I've been here for so long, and I am legit. I haven't had complaints from any of my customers that have bought from me, especially abroad, that the hair is not giving or something. At least I show most of the hairs I get from customers here, so you see yourself how they look. So please don't be scared to order from us, because we give you exactly what you order. All right, so let's go back to the video. I'm done weaving the hair. That's everything came out 7 pieces. Okay, so instead of tying the hair or using rubber bands to tie the hair, I decided to sew the hair. So all I did was pack it and sew where my hand is. Okay, you just like packing it with rubber band or tying it with a thread. So any way that you feel that is easier for you, you can do it. But the reason why I sewed it is because, you know, it's a wig. I didn't want anything that will make it loose or do anything tomorrow, though I know I still sew this part now. So after sewing it round, I put everything in one braid and then roll it together and sew, just the way I'm doing in the video right now. If you have watched to this extent, please do not forget to subscribe. Please subscribe and support me to make more videos. Please comment what you love about this video. I would love to know your comments, see your comments, guys. And I'm done weaving the hair on both sides and sewing it. So I was trying to contemplate on which of the hairs I will be using, if I will be going for the weave on or I'll be going for the kinky. So I later decided to go for the afro kinky, and then I'll be sewing it around the hair, like the buns I made. I sew it around the buns I made, just the way you're seeing in the video. This hair was ordered by one of my customers all the way from Cameroon, that orders braided wigs from children braided wigs from me. She orders different kinds of children braided wigs from me. So this is a customer's order, it was not mine. So that's the reason why I could not show you how it is installed. But I believe one of these days I will make out time to make a video on how to install this hair. And if you want me to do a video on that, please also drop in the comment section and I will do a video for that. So all I'm doing is just sewing the hair around that bun. Okay, I'm just sewing the hair just to cover up the bun, going round and round the bun, and at the end of the day, after covering it, I will now trim it. So I'm done sewing the hair, and I did the other parts on camera. I'm yet to trim it, but first of all I would like to put beads on the braids that we make in front and the back. I've already done the one on the back, so right here is the one in the front. So after putting, I put three beads on each of the braids and then trimmed. I also use needle and thread to sew, please don't mind my pronunciation, to sew the hair at the front, so that it will not be, sew it to the side, so that it will not be covering the child's face, because this hair was made for a 4-year-old baby. This for a 4-year, and a 1 to 5-year-old can wear this hair, even above, depending on their head size and everything. So please, in case you want to make an order, just let us know your baby's age, so that we'll work according to her age. Okay, so I cut the baby hairs in front of the hair, so that it will be beautiful while you lay it. You can lay the baby hairs for the baby, that's if you want. And don't not forget, that's a synthetic base full lace, and it's not human hair. Now look at how beautiful and neat that hair is. So I'm trying to trim the afro on each side of the hair. That's exactly what I'm doing right here. Please pardon me for the blocking in camera. We're actually working, so there was no way I could stop the work from going on. So that is me right there, trying to trim the hair down and then make it look more beautiful and everything. So I'm done trimming the hair. So the braids in the front, I'll be putting hot water on it. I like putting hot water on my children's hairs, especially after putting beads, so that it will be very sleek and straight. Okay, so I'm applying all the applicable spray gel, oil sheets for shine, and then this part of the rainbows ribbons I'm putting now was supposed to be done before I tied the bun. Okay, but I actually forgot, so I had to use needle and thread to sew them in. So that's what is happening right here. So please do not do this mistake I did. Make sure that you remember to put the ribbons, like use it to tie each of the sticks, that's the box braids, then before you fold your bun. So I'm trying to sew the ribbons inside the hair. So that is exactly what's going on here. So normally I'm supposed to put it before I sewed it, but then I forgot. So what I did was cut the ribbon into two, then sew it, and then turn it over. So guys, right here, this is the end of the end product of the hair. Okay, tell me what you love about this hair. Tell me if it's beautiful. Tell me, rate it. So guys, if you want another video on kiddies wigs, we have other videos in our channel that you can go through too, and then watch for yourself. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.